Good afternoon. My name is Samara Lozano Sequea. I am five semester student in the Bachelor of Early Childhood Pedagogy, English 5. Today I come with Annette. Topic of Let's Bang. Hello, everyone, and welcome to my TV show. Today I am going to show you all the food I have in my chicken. Let's start to look. On my fridge there is one can of can Anderson, the police, 40, 40 carrot, 40 carrot, are they at the meat that is a vegetal underwater, and the underwater is one packet of chorizo, and there are 40 potatoes. There is some cheese. In the pantry there is one bar of rice, and there is bar of bread. There is a spoon sugar. There is 2 pounds of salt. And there is oil. There is one cereal. There is coconut and the bulk of head. Among all the products that we see in my kitchen, are countable and the others are uncountable. Thank you very much for your attention.